What's up, Sunrays? It's your girl Ryan Samantha. If you guys are new here, thank you for stopping by. I do a lot of hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, and just lifestyle and mommy stuff. So definitely make sure that you hit that red subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell as well so you know when new videos go up. But you guys, in today's video, I was just having a rough day and I just wanted to play in some makeup and get pretty because sometimes that's what it needs. You really just need some self-care, and sometimes you really just need to look good to feel good. At least that's how it works for me sometimes. But I mean, I did not film this hair for you, but I definitely did film this makeup video. I just created this really simple fall red look. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then definitely keep on watching.
So for this look, I'm using the Morphe and James Charles palette, and I'm just going to be packing on this nice, deep, true red color called You're Kidding. And as I said, I'm just going to pack this color on. I actually did not use a primer, an eyeshadow primer for this look. I didn't want my red to be too bright. And so I just set my eyes with my concealer and some setting powder. So as you can see, I'm just gonna pack this on my eyelids, and I'm not bringing it too high right now. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other eye. So I decided to bring the red just above my natural crease line, and then I used a fluffier brush to buff out this color. I did not add any more color. I'm just using the brush to blend this color out and diffuse it and just bring it all the way up. So next I'm just using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deep Dark, and I'm using this on a clean brush, and this trick is just going to diffuse the red and get rid of any harsh lines. So next I'm just dipping into this deep dark brown color called Benny, and I'm just focusing this on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm not putting too much. I'm just, again, using small motions, and I'm just blending this out into the outer corner of my eye. And once I've got most of my color payoff on the ends, I do go ahead and bring it over just a little bit. And I found that this just definitely deepened up the look a little bit more and gave it some more dimension. So just to make sure that I have a nice blend, I do go ahead and use this lighter brown color called No Beans, and I'm just putting that right on my lid space between the red and the brown, and that's again just going to make the transition a little bit softer. So I did use a makeup wipe, and I'm just going to use that to clean up some of my mistakes and wipe off some of the excess shadow. And next I'm just going ahead and using my Fenty primer, and Rain is making a cameo in this video, and I'm just going to rub that all over my face and prep my skin for my foundation. And up next, you guys, I'm just using my Fenty Pro Filter foundation in the color 440. You guys should already know I love this foundation, and I'm just using my Morphe foundation brush to blend and buff this all in. And then I also just went ahead and used a beauty sponge to make sure that I got all of my face. And also, you guys, do not mind the lighting. I'm not really sure what was going on, but I do apologize for how it is going in and out. But yeah, I'm just using my beauty blender and blending this all into my skin. And next I'm using my Fenty Beauty concealer in the color 430. And I'm just highlighting underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin area. So I did go ahead and let this dry down a bit, and then I used a beauty sponge to blend this all out. Now that that's blended out, I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color Honey, and I'm just putting that all over the areas that I recently just highlighted. So I'm using a Fenty matchstick in the color Espresso, I believe, and I'm just going to use this to contour my face. I'm using this underneath my cheeks and my forehead and a little bit on my nose as well. And I'm just going to use a brush as well as a beauty sponge to blend this all out. So up next, I went in with my JUVIA'S Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1, and I'm just going in with this nice red color called Neo, and I'm just blushing this. I'm just putting this all over my cheeks, and I'm just bringing it a little bit higher. And next, clearly nothing wanted to focus, but I'm using my Morphe Blackout liquid liner, and I'm just gonna do a winged liner. I definitely struggled to do it on camera as per usual, so you guys will see that I come back with my eyes all done because your girl was struggling. So next I'm just doing my under eye, and I'm using the same two colors that I used, which is the red and the dark brown color that I used on my lid, and I'm just going to use that to smoke out my under eye. So last but not least, I'm using my NYX Jumbo eyeliner, and I'm just tight lining my waterline and using this black color, and that is it, you guys.
Okay, you guys, so this is how the look turned out. I do really like it. It is just really nice and simple. I would say this is pretty beginner friendly. I only used like basically two colors, a red and a brown, and everything is in one palette. I did make a little bit of mistakes and my eyes did start watering, so you will see like I messed up around here. There are some colors that are not really blending the best in that area, but for the most part I really do like how this turned out. Comment down below if this is something that you guys would wear. This could also be something really cute for Thanksgiving, even though most of us probably aren't really going anywhere. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. I was having a bad day, but I already do feel better now that I've done my makeup and I'm talking to you guys and I'm just playing in makeup and looking cute. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles!